Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me again today. We are doing two blowouts, these and spins. So these are inspired by Rinska. She's been doing these really gorgeous, what she calls them, I believe, is Dutch blooms. They are gorgeous. So I really wanted to try that using the mix that I use, which is 25% gel and then 75% US FLOETROL. You could read more about that in the description underneath this video. So I actually had 4 goes. I'm going to show you 2 of them, otherwise this video will be way too long. So I did scrape the first one because I was kind of experimenting and playing around. I did not waste the paint. I scraped it up into the middle of the canvas and used my palette knife to just kind of swirl the paint around to mix it into one solid color. The last one, the second one, has some insane cells and lacing. It is gorgeous. I love it. It's drying beautifully. Unfortunately, it's not fully dry yet, so I will have to show you that in a future video. Anyway, if you're new to the channel and you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified when I upload new fluid art videos. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys in a bit. Bye! Alright, colors for today. So this is TLP Ballet Slipper and Athena mix. And then we have Rose Quartz by this little Piggy. It's a pinkish interference. Then I have some golden cobalt violet hue. Amsterdam Payne's gray. And Amsterdam titanium buff light with a dash of the cobalt violet hue. And then the base is titanium white by Amsterdam. So you guys have definitely seen me blow out blooms with a hairdryer and spin. Specifically when I was doing the Sheleeart bloom technique. This is different ballgame. That was blowing out a cell activator with much thicker paints, with house paints, Australian FLOETROL for the cell activator. So when I saw Rinska do this, I was like, I have to try that because I just really wanted to see how my pouring medium would react to, blowing out a bloom with a hairdryer. So yes, I hope you guys like it. The next one after this one is nice. It is nice, and some of you are probably not going to be happy that I scraped it. But again, I was just kind of having a session and experimenting with, blowing out the blooms with my mix. And so please don't hate. But the second one, the next one coming up, it's gorgeous. I think it's gorgeous. You guys have to let me know what you think. The cells are amazing. And I think what I like most about it is, or what I'm excited mostly for, is that there's no cell activator. It's just like my mix that I've been using and that I will continue to use until I stumble onto something else. It just makes the most incredible cells, and I absolutely love it. So I hope you guys are trying the mix or have tried it and you like it as much as I do. It dries clear, so you don't have to worry about your colors fading. When you add the gel to the FLOETROL, it makes the FLOETROL transparent. I have tested this. I've poured it out and it dries crystal clear. I'll show you guys. Hopefully I'll be doing another mixing video soon. And I will definitely show you guys that it dries clear, or test it for yourself even. But I hope you guys like it. And I'm going to leave you here and pop back in for the end of the video, or at the end of the video. So please let me know what you guys think. Talk soon.
Sometimes I think you like keeping me on the fence. You don't even try. It's in your nature to play pretend. I can't breathe when you're next to me. I am suffocating silently. I've been waiting patiently for you to make up your mind. suffocating's too much to cope. I'm just so tired. Honestly, I'm at the end of my rope. I can't breathe when you're next to me. I am suffocating silently. I've been waiting patiently for you to make up your mind.
So check out those cells. Okay, this reminds me of when I was doing the Sheleeart bloom technique and I was using the boom gel stain. They're just really juicy cells. I love them. I probably would have been a lot happier with this painting if I didn't spin it out so much. I think I overstretched it. So yeah, I hope you guys like that one. Let me know what you think. So this was two pours later. I said I did 4, so this is the 4th one. So I scraped those and just puddled all that paint up, mixed it around as you can see there, and spread it out. So for this one, I made sure to add more paint. So when I was pouring the puddles, just to make sure I added more paint on this one. So I think it turned out stunning. I absolutely love it. I love the cells and the lacing. So you guys let me know what you think, and I'm going to leave you to it, and I will see you at the end of the video. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think. And again, that was totally inspired by Rinska, and I will link her in the description box underneath this video. I'm sure you've heard of her, but if you've stumbled upon my channel and you're new to fluid art and you haven't, she is a must watch. So go check her out, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.